ROP32, can you exploit the following program to get a flag? You can find it here on the shell server. All right, so let's copy that location. So our hint is it's a classic ROP. ROP stands for return-oriented programming. So what that means is we're going to build up a program by, instead of putting shellcode on the stack, writing a bunch of return addresses on the stack of code that already exists. And there's a nice tool called ROPgadget that will help us find those. So if I just say ROPgadget, it's going to tell me that I need a binary name. And so then it finds all of these different things. So this would allow me to zero out ESI and then return. This one allows me to zero out, or actually exclusive ORs, EDI and EDX, and then jumps to whatever ESI is pointing to. So you'll see it's found a whole bunch of these gadgets that I might build a program out of. Now the interesting thing about this is it's going to actually build a program for me. So if I just add this ROP chain, it's going to build a little program that will call bin.sh. It'll do execl and call bin.sh for me. It's actually found all the code. So you see there's where it puts bin and sh. It's got all these return addresses. So it'll like pop this data into EDX. So it's like the beginning of the data section. It's writing bin there. It's writing sh to the data section +4. It zeroes out EAX. It writes EAX to EDX. It's then building up the value of EAX. It zeroes it out, adds 1 to it, so it can call in 80 to basically do the execl with bin.sh. Now, one thing that we do want to be concerned about is we don't want to have a new line or a null byte. So you can actually specify that null byte and new line are bad bytes, and it won't include those. So then it builds up this whole chain here of a program. Now what I've done here is I've put that into a little Python program. So I've imported from Pwn Tools the structure that this is going to need. It builds up this whole thing. That just is the output of ROPgadget. I'm going to connect to this vuln program in that rop32 folder. And then I took this one right here and I said I could try to figure out, like I've done before, where the return address is. But I'm just going to do 18 of these returns. That'll just, this is kind of like when I've done a NOP sled before. So it'll just return, 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 return until it gets the beginning of the payload, which I've gotten here. We send that, we go into interactive mode. So Python rop32.py. So it should be in the shell now. I'm going to say ls, except I'm in my current folder. So let's say I need this. I don't have that copy pasted anymore. So cd. Oh yeah, we'll do that again. ls. And we'll cat flag txt from that folder. And there we go, rop to bin.sh is my flag. So I can just copy paste that and grab the points for the rop32.